everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to go ahead and create this purple halo look using my Profusion Festival palette again. As you can tell, I'm a little obsessed. So if you want to see how I created this look, keep on watching this video. Alrighty, so I've already primed my eye and I set it with this shade right here called Winning. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to come and take this purple shade right here. It is Shell, and we're going to use that on our crease as a transition shade. And I'll once again be using my tapered blending brush from Elizabeth Mott. So next I'm going to be going in with the shade Festival, and I'm going to go back into my crease with this, and I will be using this blending brush. Now I'm just going to go back with that first brush, and I'm going to go ahead and blend that out with that shade Shell again. For my next step, I'm going to take this concealer brush and that NYX eyeshadow pencil in Milk again, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to cut out my crease, and I'm going to go from the inner corner all the way to the out and make a half circle shape. Now that I've cut the crease, I'm going to go in with this shade right here called Groove, and I'm going to use this eyeshadow brush right here from BH Cosmetics. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pack that in, and I'm actually going to stop about here, and then I'm going to come to the outer corner and I'm going to stop right about here, and we're going to leave this section with that sliver of the white, and we'll go in with the purple just above that, and then we'll come back in with another shade. Now that we have Groove applied over the majority of the eyelid and we just have that white sliver, I'm actually going to take the same brush and I'm going to fill in this white portion on the top of my eyelid, but I'm going to leave this section white. Now I do want to point out that for this look, because we cut that crease, you do not necessarily want to go back in and blend that line. You want it to kind of stand out a little bit. The next color that I'm going to go into is I'm going to use this shade right here. It's called Superstar. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take some on my ring finger to begin with, and I'm going to dab it right around that white spot. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a tapered blending brush from BH Cosmetics, and I'm going to go back into that same gold shade, and I'm just going to go ahead and start blending it into that purple to kind of create a halo look. The next thing that I want to do with this gold shade is I actually want to come down to my lower lash line, and on the inner third, I want to take that and just pack it in so that the gold transfers down. I'm going to take this precision brush, and I'm actually going to go back into the shade Festival, and I'm going to fill in the outer and the inner third, and I'm going to blend it down beneath that gold shade. And lastly, I'm going to go back in with that Elizabeth Mott blending brush, and I'm just going to go ahead and smoke that out with what's left of the shade Shell. For my eyeliner today, I'm actually going to be taking a brow pomade from ColourPop. It is in the shade Jet Set. what I'm first going to do with this eyeliner is I'm going to work on the inner corner to get this point that I have on the other side, and then we'll move on to work on the wing. For mascara, I'm once again going to use Fabulous Flocking Lashes from the Beauty Crop. To finish this look off, I'm going to go in with my liquid lipstick from L'Oreal Paris in the shade I Create. It's a more subtle nude shade just because we have such a bold eye today. To make sure that this look doesn't fade throughout the day, I'm going to go in with my Milani Make It Dewy Setting Spray. And there you have it, you guys. This is my purple halo look. I hope you like it. If you're not already, please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell down below. I will be posting every single Monday. If you have a look that you'd like me to try out, please comment down below and let me know, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!